Not sure why unboxing videos are so popular, but I don't know. I guess I like to watch them. So here is my MD 500E. This is a funky model. Funky Models. I got this from Heli World. It's actually going to be going on this Line 600 ESP that I've had for, oh god, 5 years now. And it's actually been sitting for about 2 or 3 years. I haven't been doing anything with it. And so I was going to sell it, and then Heli World had a sale for this 50 size fuselage, which is normally about $400 for, basically it was $200 shipped. So that's pretty good. So we're going to unbox it here and see what's inside. Okay, it's the Funky Aero Models Manufacturing. This is the green one, MD 500E, 50 size. So pack's really nice. All right. Maybe some of the windshield. Oh, it's kind of tinted. Cool. It's pretty big. Little plastic windshields and side windows. That's nice. Put those on there. Got some instruction. It's always amazing how big these look. Skids and landing gear. That's been one problem, maybe I'll show in the build, is that these landing gear, ooh, they're huge, holy crap, are a little bit short. They make it look kind of squatty. So I might decide to modify these and make it a little bit longer using some brake line. As I was lifting it, something fell out of it. It looks like it's the little blinky light on top of the, that just broke off. That's not good. Just glue it on there, no big deal. All the pieces parts, and I think these will have all the stuff to put on to my particular helicopter. My line. It'll package really nicely. Got some foam and paper. That is pretty fancy. Wow. Just take it all apart here. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay. Pretty nice. Oh, San Diego Sheriff's. I didn't see that before. I saw the sheriff. Oh, I might have to change that to Meeker County Sheriff somehow. Figure that out, how I'm going to do that. And I'm thinking about putting a Meeker County Sheriff here. Let's try that working. Inside. Wow, it's got carbon fiber down the end. Fiberglass looks nice and thick. Very nice. Okay, I just cut open where the front is. It's very fragile. Some balsa pieces in there kind of hold it together. Go careful with it here. Front of it. Oh, cool. It's got the light down there already. Huh, nice. I can just totally add my light in there. It won't be any problem at all. Very nice. I already got a light kit for it. I'll be using this Common Sense light kit. It's like 25 bucks. Not bad. I'll be putting that in there. All together here. There's no magnets in there, so I think I'm going to probably add some magnets to hold the front end on. Be better than bolts. Pretty good size. Not bad. It's beautiful. Beautiful paint and fiberglass work. Alley next to it. Just next step is to put it all together.